Hello my friends, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfazi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about isolation of alkaloids, isolation of piperine from black pepper. So first I will discuss about the alkaloids, then I will focus little bit on piperines, and then I will show you how you will isolate black pepper from piperine from black pepper. So let us start. You know friends, piperine is an alkaloid found naturally in plants, belongs to the Piperaceae family, such as Piperinefrom, commonly known as black pepper, and Pippers langum, commonly known as long pepper. Piperine is the major pungent substance in these plants and is isolated from the fruits of the black pepper and long pepper plants. You know friends, piperine comprises 1 to 99% of these plants. The term black pepper is used both for the plant Piperinefrom and the spice that is mainly in the fruits of the plants. Now friends, piperine is a solid substance, essentially insoluble in water. It is a weak base and that is tasteless at first but leaves a burning aftertaste. Piperine belongs to a vanilloids family of compounds, a family that also includes the capsaicin and pungent substances in hot chili peppers. Its molecular formula is C17H19NO3 and its molecular weight is 285.34 Dalton. And you know, piperine is the trans stereoisomers of one piperoyl piperidine, and it is represented by the chemical formula I will show you later. You know, piperine may have bioavailability enhancing activity for some nutritional substances and for some drugs, and it has putative anti-inflammatory activity and may have activity in promoting digestive process. You know friends, in this experiment we will extract the alkaloids component that give black pepper its physiological properties include carminatives, you know, relief of intestinal gas, diuretics, increase urine output, and as well as the well-known taste bud effects. So as we know, black pepper contains about 3% of volatile ions, terpenes, 10% of alkaloid piperines, 30% starch, the remaining is cellulose and water. To get the pure piperine, all other components must be removed. So the starch can be dissolved and volatile ions must soponification so it can be water soluble. So you can see the pictures here: piperine, piperanine, piperidine, piperidine, and pipicides. So among these, piperine is the major component, while piperanine and pipericide are commonly present in minute amounts. So for this experiment, you need potassium hydroxide solved in ethanol 2m, ethanol 95%, 300 milliliter, HCl 6 molar, and RAD condenser and Buchner funnel. And this is setup. You can see here the setup, heating ventils, and this condenser is setup. So what method you have used? Weigh 50 gram of black pepper. Note, the net result for the piperine extract should be 5 gram since it contains 10% of piperine. So add 300 ml ethanol 95% to the 50 gram pepper and hold the condenser above the bottom. And then heat the mixture gradually until it boiled and keep it on heater for 3 hours, then cool it. You can see the setup, second setup here: condenser, receiver, and here heating ventile. Extract the mixture in Buchner form. Now friend, distillate the filtrate in distillation device to remove the extra ethanol until the volume inside reach 25 ml. Then friend, do saponification by adding 25 ml of potassium hydroxide solved in ethanol and to this solvent, and then mix it and hold the condenser above the bottle. Then boil the mixture for exactly 5 minutes. You can see here how to put. Then after this, add 35 to 40 milliliter water until the solvent become muddy. Then put it into beaker, then in ice bath and scratch the wall with a glass ring. Then friends, leave it to the next day. Filtrate the solution in Buchner funnel. Piperines will expected to be 3 gram, but if you find it 2.7 gram, which is considered to be very close to perfect accuracy. So finally record the melting point and compare it with references. So friends, you see the final distillation ethanol had the odor of the black pepper with but you can keep this ethanol especially just for this experiment. So the wall was scratched. The solution was filtered in Buchner funnel. You can see how Buchner funnel. So this is your compound. So now measuring the sample which was measured. Melting points. This is melting point apparatus. So warning: if boiling period after saponification is still more than 5 minutes, the weak bond between nitrogen and carbon will be broken by the entrance of KOH, and so it is hydrolyzed to piperidine plus pipric acid, which is undesirable. So you can see piperine react with KOH forming piperidine and pipric acid. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.